Oh.
How are you?
What do you think? Oh my goodness. Hi, little pony. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We gotta get it set up like that. That's nice. You just walk right through that electric fence though. Go towards 337. What's that?
Are you wanting any instructions?
I'm not sure. Do I look like I need instruction?
You look like you're lost.
We are a little lost. He's trying to read that sign for me. I don't see too good.
See if you can read 2 miles. You're going to ride 5.5 miles, which that's a nice loop. You want to ride that far, or you want to go 3.5 miles?
We can do 5.5, yeah.
Go out here and you follow the blue diamonds on the train about 1.5 miles, and then you go all the way around, and about 1 mile from here you'll get it.
Sounds good.
Alrighty.
Thank you for the help.
Alright, we'll get you in the morning. Okay, that's your first.
Blue diamond. Remember that one. Very good. Howdy, howdy. Glad we slowed down. We would have flew right past you.
You would have missed beer.
I know.
Pale ale, okay?
I don't drink. Thank you, though.
Drink, okay. Can I interest you in a wrap, or I've got some wings left, some donuts, some cornbread?
I would love a wrap.
Let's see. I've got I think there might be some, this might be meat left here or some veggie.
Yeah, I'll take that. He might try and knock that out your hands. Be careful.
Carrot. I do have carrots.
Oh, he would love a carrot. He would love a carrot. We're gonna stuff this in my little sack here. Oh.
And I do have water if you'd like water.
I'm still topped up on my...
How about a brownie for the road? It's all wrapped.
Oh yeah. We can stuff that in my sack too. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Wyatt, say thank you for the carrot. Howdy. Very nice saddle, sir.
Oh, thank you.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Hello. You okay?
I'm good. What just happened? She left before I was on. We're good. Are you sure? They didn't even hear it. Normally they hear it.
That's not for you, why? Thank you. That's not for you. It's like they had carrots.
He like a strawberry?
He would, I think. He's never tried. I've never seen him try one, so.
How's that? Huh? Yeah.
What are you doing, huh?
Hey.
You have strawberries left? I have some bagel pieces. I have beer.
How about some beer?
Okay. Which one would you like to try? First.
American Pale Ale.
Right, some
Something.
coordination.
Here you go, Mom.
We got something.
Yep.
Sounds like you.
He's 19. It'll go as far as you want him to go. Oh yeah.
Looks like y'all finally caught up.
And we just had a baby, so he hasn't been ridden.
What's that?
I said you finally caught up. I was waiting
Yeah,
on
we
you.
finally caught up.
We're a
No,
little slow.
Yep.
Not on purpose. It'd be like, what?
Let me go get some.
My dad is so
They brought the pizza right as I got a bagel.
You got a bagel instead of pizza?
Well, the pizza wasn't here when they gave me the bagel. They showed up right as I got it. But I'm committed now.
Well, you could wolf that down and go back.
I'm working on it now.
Well, and So this saddle, this is a backwards saddle, so that the stirrups aren't stiff like those.
Yeah, I think
And then my carpet is not secured to the saddle. So it's like, if we're sliding, we're sliding. And you don't have to make, the way that you ride it fast though, is you ride straight up.
I got this guy over here, he can bring you one. You want coleslaw or without? Pulled pork.
He said, we'll do pulled pork. You can hold the coleslaw.
Oh man, this is really hard. I'm really
Do you want it on bread or just in a bowl of pork?
Just in a bowl is fine.
How much?
That's good right there.
You want a pasta?
No, thank you.
to figure out where she is. The drive is from that. Good to see you. And then I have two girlfriends coming.
Appreciate you, sir. Service. Good service.
These little sandwiches too?
I got my hands full, but thank you very much. I ate a couple of those. They were really good.
They're from Citrusville. I think. In Gun Island.
I didn't get the spinach wrap. I just got the regular one.
Yeah, I saw it all over. People were sharing all over Facebook. That's how I found out about it. RV there. Yeah, and we always make fun of Starbucks. Yeah.
Okay, well let's start moving. Yeah. Cool. I see my trailer's there. The trunk is in there. Sorry, are we in your way?
No, I'm just heading to my trailer.
I also love the life you're living for an old dude with a horse.
I love it too. Come.